My name is Austin George. I've been in the Mondovi FFA for 5 years now, and I had the opportunity to serve as the chapter vice president this last year. I've been showing beef cattle for the last 10 years, and this year my steer's name is Toby. He eats a balanced corn ration with protein pellets and alfalfa hay, and I had the opportunity of showing him across the Midwest this last fall before the coronavirus hit. I would like to use this money from this auction to put towards my education next fall at UW River Falls. Thanks to all the buyers that would participate in this and help me pursue my future education as an animal nutritionist. And thanks to my parents, Doug and Patty George, for putting in all their work and effort to put up with me.